This is POCO M5s, and in today's video we're going to demonstrate how you can scan a document and make it into a PDF format on this device. So it is a very simple thing to do. You gotta open the Google Drive application. If you do not have it, just download it from the Play Store for free. Then open the Files section at the very bottom over here. Tap on this plus sign, choose Scan. Then in front of me I have this little sample document that I would like to scan. Let's say take a picture of it, make sure to include each part of the document into the frame. So once you have successfully taken a picture, well, tap over here, then you can choose which part of the picture will be included into the made document. So crop it however you want to. As you can see, the crop options are pretty vast, should I say. You can crop your image from both sides, as well as change the angle if you would like to, if your angle is not straight in the original photo. Once you're ready to save the file, if you want to, you can also draw it or edit it in general. Once you are ready to save the file, just tap on the Save button, choose the folder that you would like to save it in, choose its destination to be exact, choose its title, and then click on the save. And as you can see, this little photo that we have just taken was successfully transferred into the PDF document. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.